Imagine a single drop of nature's goodness. Deeksam coconut oil is more than just oil. It's wellness in every drop. Deeply nourishes your skin, leaving it soft, radiant, and chemical-free. Strengthens hair from root to tip, restoring shine and reducing hair fall. Perfect for cooking. Pure, cold-pressed, and packed with healthy fats. Safe for baby massages. Trusted by generations. 100% natural. No additives. Just pure coconut love. Choose Deeksam. Choose purity. Your skin. Your health will thank you.